How many times your message forwarded in WhatsApp Messenger? Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can know how many times your message forwarded on WhatsApp Messenger. For this, at first you have to launch your WhatsApp application on your device. After launching your WhatsApp application on your device, now in order to see it, at first you have to make sure that your very application of WhatsApp is updated to 2.20.11, and after that you can forward any of the message that you want here. For example, if you'd like to forward this message here, now then you can just go to the option where you'd like to forward it. Now after tapping on the option of forwarding it, now you can tap on this very and then go to the three dots and then go to the option of info. Now here you can see the amount of the forwarded here. If it's only have been forwarded one time, it will be shown none of the option here. Otherwise it will be shown the time how many times it has been forwarded. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.